shredded meat, coleslaw, barbecue sauce in a warm bun. I absolutely love it. I've done a beef version and a pork version, but the ultimate would have to be with duck. This is such a standout dish. And these days you can get confit of duck legs, which means it doesn't take hours to prepare the meat. Simply reheat the confit of duck legs in an oven, about 190 degrees for 15 minutes, and they are perfectly cooked. Look at them here. I've allowed these 2 duck legs to cool slightly, and this is just going to make it easier to shred. So let's get a beautiful milk bun on. So I'll just make one. We're going to cut that in half. And I always think you need to warm them up so they're really soft. So in a dry pan, pop that in. And then with a fork, just shred the meat off the bone, and you can see how easy that is to do. The meat is succulent, that crispy skin. It is the best thing ever. So after you've removed the bones, then just shred it with fork and spoon. You can have this chunky, or you can shred it even more so it's super fine. It's completely up to you. All right, the bread's ready, perfectly toasted, and we'll add a dollop of smoky barbecue sauce. You can make a homemade one, or there are some fantastic smoky barbecue sauces out there. And we'll spread that all the way to the side. And some coleslaw, classic cabbage, carrot, some onion, just mixed in with some mayonnaise, a few spoonfuls. And then the main attraction here, that gorgeous confit of duck. Just gonna pile that up. Be generous with this because we really want to taste the duck in this. Pile it up as high as it can go without toppling over. The lid goes on. That is the ultimate shredded duck burger, and the best thing about it is it took moments. It's going to be good.